Hey guys, Jared here with an epic version of the Campus Live local lottery. This week our friends over at Shoppe in Sunderland hooked us up with this sweet fridge. This baby holds 230 racks of your favorite beverage. Let's take a look inside this machine and see what she's packing. Oh, look at that. We got a freezer up here, ice cubes, nice dial here, control the crispness and coolness of your beverage, and my favorite, the auto dispenser. How much easier could it get? So I know you want to win this baby. How do you do it? Enter right over here. Click enter raffle, and then share it on Facebook with your friends. Get one extra ticket for each friend. And I'm going to hand deliver this thing personally Thursday night after you win, so it's ready for pre-gaming. Good luck, guys.